I didn't know who they were yesterday. And today I know that they already do work with Medtronic, my company, but with a different division in the US. So now that I know that we have a relationship with them, and I also know that they're based in Europe and have capabilities that can support some of the work we do, and consider them as options when we need their services or that type of service.
Optinova is an extrusion house bringing a lot of different customized product solutions into the med device market.
The driving factor for us will be lead times. So whatever we can get in the quickest. And when I first started out with Freudenberg, lead times for fluoropolymers were through the roof. And Optinova really stepped in and helped us out quite a bit with their shortened lead times for some of our R&D projects. So it was great.
So I'd say from this workshop, I now know more of what they do, and I can get more, I suppose, essentially more nuanced material. So you take your traditional P-Baxes and you take your, maybe your TPUs and your new sauce, but like from the conversations that we had inside, there's various blends even on those materials that will give you mechanical properties and different properties that might be desirable from a performance perspective.
So we have like a very high etching density, which allows for a lot of stretch, and it seems that this is not really known or in the heads of the engineers. So they go with the market standard of like 20% elongation, whereas we have up to 300%.
There is gradient extrusions that I could use that I think would be fantastic to get involved in our products and make a big difference and reduce process time, costs. But you just don't get that oversight until you're actually there with all the materials at hand when you're starting to play and design. They've got some really nice people, but just to see like the capabilities and see what type of polymer like gradients and lengths that we could use to implement. So already I see a possible outcome that I can use their technology and their expertise to get our next generation of devices faster to market.
I think we have so many great capabilities that most people are unaware of, especially in Ireland.
From talking to the guys yesterday, I suppose listening to them and talking to them privately, they're trying to expand all the time. They're trying to make breakthroughs in terms of what they can design, what barrier limits I suppose they can break through. They seem to be open-minded to not shutting the door definitely on ideas and trying their best to see can they come up with alternative solutions for you.
Just chatting to the guys here, I can tell there's a good knowledge there and willingness to support industry and partner with industry to solve problems. So again, that's a relationship that comes out of a meeting like this that I probably wouldn't have had otherwise.
Previously, I would have seen probably 2 or 3 main suppliers that kind of hold the market and have the majority supply in the market. So trying to introduce as much competition as possible, it challenges lead times. So from an R&D perspective, that's massive. It means we can offer products to the customer shorter lead times, which makes their round of prototyping quicker, and we get feedback quicker. For us, it's all about being able to deliver the best product possible in the shortest amount of time. And if we can have suppliers that are on the same kind of mentality and the same page as us, we can deliver a better product to our customers, and that runs down the road to the patient at the end of the day.